Now let's understand the concept of data types in Python. Data type refers to the type of value stored in a variable which is used throughout the program to give some meaningful results. This diagram shows the data types available in Python, which is numeric, which consists of 3 data types: integer, float, and complex. Non-numeric includes Boolean category. Sequences include string, list, and tuple. And dictionary is another data type, which is considered under mapping. Now we will see each and every data type of this diagram shown. First, we have numeric data type. As I said, integers are whole numbers without decimals. So any value which is complete number, it can be both positive and negative numbers, are represented in integer category. Float numbers contain a decimal point. So these values include 10.5, minus 3.14. Both positive and negative decimals are included in this. Complex numbers have a real part and an imaginary part, and they are written using J. So examples for this would be 2 plus 3j, 5 plus 1j, 3 minus 2j. These all are the examples of complex category. So these three are the numeric data type in Python: integer, float, and complex. Next we have Boolean data type. So Boolean represents two values. It is either true or false. Examples would be true, false, and here written over here is 10 greater than 5. As we know, 10 is greater than 5, the answer will be true. So this is also a Boolean data type. 10 equal to 5 is false because 10 is not equal to 5. So this is also a Boolean answer. And next we are comparing Python equal to Python. As I said earlier, equal to is represented by double equal to's in Python. So answer for this is true. These are the Boolean data types in Python. And one more thing for this would be true is represented as 1 and false is represented as 0. Next we have type function. This is used to find the data type of value of variable. If I am writing type of 10, then it is giving me output as int. As we know, 10 does not have any decimal, does not have any imaginary part, so its type will be int. Similarly, in the next case, 10.5 would be float. 2 plus 3j is complex. Hello written in double quotes is string. Type of true is bool for Boolean. So this type function is used to find the data type of a value or variable in Python. Now we can convert one value from another or one data type to another data type using type conversion in Python. Integer function written as int round brackets is used to convert any data type into integer value. Example for this is if we write int 10.5, it is automatically converted into 10, which is an integer value. Similarly, if I need to convert any value into float, I can simply write as 10.0. As we know that 0 written after decimal does not have any value, so the original value of the number is not changed. Complex 10 plus 0j, because the imaginary part is 0, we can write as plus 0j. So this is how we can convert one numeric data type to another using these functions, which are int, float, and complex. Now next we have none data type. None represents the absence of value or no value. Example, x equal to none. Here x has no value assigned to it. None means there is no value anything. This is a special data type in Python. None, and remember this, you have to write the first letter as capital in none. Next we have type conversion. So Python automatically converts one data type to another in implicit type conversion. And if the programmer is manually converting one data type to another, then it is considered in explicit type conversion. Now the very important concept in Python is mutable and immutable data type. This is always asked in exams and in interviews also. So a mutable data type is a data type whose value or contents can be changed after it has been created. Examples for this would be list, dictionary, set. You can think of it as Your marks may be changed, your phone number may be changed. So this is mutable data type. And immutable data type would be whose value or contents cannot be changed after it has been created. Your father's name, your mother's name, or you can say your roll number. These are immutable types. They cannot be changed whenever you wish. They are fixed values. Your Aadhaar number cannot be changed. Your voter ID number cannot be changed. So you can understand the difference between mutable and immutable like this. Mutable means whose values can be changed after it has been created. Example, your marks. It can be changed. You may increment or decrement in your marks. And immutable data types are those whose value cannot be changed after it has been created. Your voter ID or identification number cannot be changed after it has been created. Examples for this are integer, float, complex, string, tuple, and boolean. So these are immutable and mutable data types in Python, and which is very, very important. Next we have string. So string are basically characters written in inverted quotes. And each character have a position for them, which is called index. So in strings, we can do two types of indexing, forward indexing and backward indexing. If I write any string, example over here is Python, I can start the forward index from 0 and move it as the length of the string. So P will be at index 0, Y would be at index 1, T would be at index 2, H would be at index 3, O at 4, and N at 5. Similarly, I can also do backward indexing for this. N would start at -1, O at -2, H at -3, T -4, Y -5, and P -6. So this is how you can create indexes for strings in Python. Next we have list. So list is an ordered and changeable collection of items. As I said, list is a mutable data type. So we can change its value after its creation. And it is always written using square brackets. So example for this would be, suppose I am making a list of fruits. I am writing apple, mango, banana, orange. So these values can be changed as list is mutable. So again, repeating the definition, a list is a ordered and changeable collection of items, and it is always written using square brackets. Next we have tuple. So a tuple is also an ordered collection of items, but it is immutable. That means its value cannot be changed after creation, and it is represented using round brackets. If I am creating a tuple named colors and writing the values as red, green, and blue, these values cannot be changed after creation. So this is the example of tuple. Lastly, we have dictionary. So a dictionary is an unordered collection of key value pairs, and it is written using curly brackets. If I am creating a dictionary named student, I can name the first thing as key and then I will give its corresponding value. Here we have to note that the keys must be unique and its value can be changed. So it is mutable data type. I am writing key as name and its value is Rahul. Next key I am writing as age and its value is 17. Next key is marks and its value is 90. So name, age, marks, which are on the left hand side of colon, are keys, and Rahul 1790 are the values for these keys. Now, key point for this would be dictionary stores data in key value pairs and keys must be unique. And keys must be mutable, that is their values can be changed, and keys are used to access values. And different data types can be used as values. So this is dictionary data type in Python. So we have covered all the data types in Python. So this is the summary of this video. A letter, digit, or any special character can be represented as character. In Python, we are using various character sets letters, digits, arithmetical operators, logical operators, relational operators, and special symbols. There are some non-graphic characters which are used to command cursor while printing, and these are called special sequences, or you can say escape sequence or backslash characters. And the smallest individual unit of a program is token. There are various tokens available in Python, which are literals, identifiers, assignments, punctuators, separators, operators, and keywords. And there are various literals available in Python: integer, real, string, literal, boolean, literals, none. These all are the literals available in Python. And identifier is used to represent the name of function or class name. And keywords are the reserved words which carry special meaning in Python. Python supports two types of data conversion: implicit and explicit type conversion. And explicit type conversion is also called as typecasting. Python has various data types, which are mutable and immutable. Mutable data types are those whose values can be modified after creation, and immutable are those whose values cannot be changed after creation. Now these are some review exercises. You can just go through this or take a screenshot for your reference. So this is all. Thank you everyone. I'll see you in the next video.